So all this time I've been making a mistake. Whenever I read this in my mind, I'm like, x equals 5. It doesn't equal 5. X is assigned 5. In Python, this is the assignment operator, and it's very important to keep that in mind. There's another thing that's called the comparison operator, and that checks if the values of two operands are equal. It returns true if the values are the same and false otherwise. So this is important. This is not an equal sign. This is not a comparison. This is an assignment, right? X is assigned to 5, or 5 is assigned to x, right? X is assigned 5. Very important, remember this. This is the assignment operator. Basically, I'm telling Python, make the variable x equal to 5, right? And I don't like that I used the word equal again, but basically make the variable x 5, right? It's a command. I'm telling it to do something, right? Basically, it tells the machine, take this value, right, and store it in this variable. So this one is the variable, and again, the variable is kind of the container that contains the value. It's like a box, and inside the box is the value. So variable, value, right? And by doing this, I'm basically placing the value inside the variable x. So I'm placing the value 5 inside the variable x. That's what I'm really doing here by putting the assignment operator here. Now, with this double equals sign, which is called the comparison operator, I'm asking the machine now, are the values of these two things the same? And the outcome will always be a Boolean answer, either true or false, right? So, for example, if we have x is assigned 5 and y is assigned 5, and then I do print and then x, comparison operator, exactly y. And now let's see what happens if we run this. It will, of course. Let's just clean this up. All right, it will output true. Now if I make y 4, it will output false. Why is this necessary, right? Now, if we had the same symbol here for the comparison operator, sorry, for the assignment operator and the comparison operator, there would be a lot of ambiguity, and it could lead to basically all kinds of logical errors that would be very difficult to debug. So again, the big difference here is here we are assigning a value, and here we are comparing values. Assigning values, comparing values.